we are going to pick up, we just finished 4 groups, our chaîné turn, step out together, pull left and right. So we're going to do that one time. So chaîné turn, out, in, pull, left, right. So that was group 4. All together, we're going to do 4 ponies backwards. So you're going to pony 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 turning to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're going to step back with your left foot, and your left hand's going to go to your ear, and you're going to go down, round, up, and then we're going to do 4 sugar stepping on our right foot using our arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to repeat, we're going to do 4 ponies again to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 turning, this time to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, we step back with our right foot, our right hand to our ear. We bend down, around, and up. And 4 sugars stepping on your left foot first. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we're gonna be in one line. We're gonna turn to our right, so we step on our left foot. And then we are going to do 4 hip rolls towards the mirror using our left foot. We're gonna push. We lean forward. 1, 2, 3, and on 4, you're gonna step back, fan. And you repeat this 3 more times. 1, 2, 3, step back, fan. Again, 1, 2, 3, back, around, and last time. 1, 2, 3, back, fan. After you finish in 4 groups, the same 4 groups that you do your chaîné turn in, we're going to do pas de ré, pirouette, starting with our right foot. So back, side, out, prep, back, pirouette, down. We would do this 4 times because there are 4 groups. And after the group 4 finishes, you are going to pose in any pose that you want.